Hey guys, welcome back to our happy place. I hope all of you are doing good and staying safe, as the same over here. We have been really busy with work, so we were not able to upload videos for the past week. So, yes, this video is going to be a very useful one. This is kitchen cabinet organizing, decluttering, saving space, and the under sink area that we're going to show you. Woke up this morning to this lovely, bright, sunny day and felt so happy that we could do a video for all of you. Just put back the little things that we had dusted and kept away for a while. Just watered my money plant. Money plants that grow in soil do not require much water. You just need to check the moisture in the soil, and then if it requires water, you can just water them. It's so good to have money plants and other air purifying plants in your kitchen, which makes it so beautiful and so fresh. We do not have a dedicated place for our pantry. We are working on getting one done, and these are the cabinets that we have under our countertops, which we use for pantry as well as the storage for all our groceries and provisions. I'm sure all of us who do not have a dedicated pantry unit would be using these cabinets to store all the things, so I'm sure it will be useful. We just love having snake plants as they are so beautiful and they are low on maintenance. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please do consider subscribing. Do like, comment and share. Give this video a big thumbs up. Do hit on the notification button to get updates. Decluttering can be overwhelming, so start that one small thing. Clean out your junk drawers or cabinets. It can lead to so many more beautiful things. So start there and you'll find yourself cleaning the whole rest of the house. The first tip in organizing your cabinets is that you should check that you do not have too much of duplicates in your kitchen, as it would become messy and a big junk. We never had the time to change this paper and use our anti-skid mats, so it was time now for us to do so. Before that, we thought that we would sort things out and do a little bit of cleaning over here. We made sure that we cleaned the entire cabinet properly, as we've been using newspaper, and I'm sure all of you know that it would have a little bit of dust as well as small insects would infest. So make sure you use a vacuum cleaner so that you get all the dust off from every corner before you do your liners. Now it was time for us to measure the liners and have it placed. These anti-skid mats come in rolls, and it is so convenient that you can dust and wash them. They are available online as well as in any home store near to your place. So it was time for us to empty all our provisions that we had purchased for the month, putting back everything that goes in its place, taking out the red ribbons that we tied for Christmas. Wow, now it's the most exciting part of it. We found these beautiful buffalo check spice jars, guys, and we so fell in love with it that we thought we would revamp our wooden spice jars for a little while, keep them away and have these as beautiful decorative pieces in our kitchen. They fit so well in our spice rack, and we were just so happy with the product. The similar things are available online as well. So we just put them back. Now it was time to open out our little boy's favorite pasta and have them put into the wooden glass jars. These wooden storage glass jars are so convenient. So we have our spaghetti and pasta now in these glass jars and not anymore in the plastic ones. So it was time to start organizing everything in these little baskets that we picked up. Arranged everything and put them in its dedicated place. What I know for sure is that when you declutter, whether it's your home, your head, or your heart, it is astounding what will flow into that space that will enrich you, your family, and your life. I am always on the lookout for time saving tips and ideas to get me in and out of the kitchen faster. Main that we just finished it in no time and continued with our work. So that's the liner, guys. We have placed everything in our cabinets and see how organized it looks. As I said, we are still working on our pantry. So this is enough for the moment, and I'm sure all of us have cabinets like this and we can make use of them in the desired way. Some of these are the pull-out ones so that you can just see what is there. So that's a quick run through till the end, and down we have all our utensils, not forgetting our coastal living utensils as well. So we have basmati rice in this glass jar and our puppets. We use glass bowls for our cooking as well as for marination, and all the extra dry chilies. See how clean, neat and clutter-free this cabinet has turned out, guys. We repurposed our plate stand and we have used them for our lids now, which makes it more convenient and easy for me when I need. So over here we have this little rack, and we just have basic things over here. We do not have much of steel utensils, and the cylinder right at the side. So coming to this area of our cabinet is the under sink corner, and over here to the left we have this rack in which we've placed our casseroles and the storage containers which we use on a daily basis. We have used anti-skid mats even here as well. So this is the under sink area, and we have our little organizing basket in which we have our detergents, the dishwashing liquids, the brush, and a little bit of things that we use on a daily basis. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was useful, and I'm sure that I will be doing a lot more videos like this. Take care, stay blessed, bye.